Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will do the complete guide of installation of Microsoft SQL Server. Let's get started. First, we have to search download Microsoft SQL Server. In this video, so point to the SQL Server downloads to the Microsoft website. And let's get here. We have two options, Developer and Express mode. Developer is a full-featured free edition for developer mode. In this video, we are making a tutorial for students. That's why we prefer Express download. I have already downloaded. As you can see, there is one more extra exe file. So let's get to the download file. Here we have SQL 2020 Express mode. Let's open it. Click on S button. It's getting started. Here we have three options: basic, custom, and download media. We prefer the basic. This is license from an agreement. Click on accept and make sure you prefer the default location, as it will not occur any problem. Click on install. It will take some time. After clicking on install SSMS, it will redirect you to this download page. Click on this. As I have already downloaded this, so I am not going to download this. After you download this, go to the download folder and download from here SSMS ENU. Here click on install and click on yes. It will take some time to install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. You can go out and have a cup of coffee. As this process is going to take a bit longer time, you can click on close and open this. You can here connect now. As you can see here, you can already have this server name. Click on connect. You have to click on database engine and on this username /express SQL Express. Click on connect. It will take you to the database and click on Adventurous Work IT 2019. Click on this website, and on here you have to download this AdventureWorks 2019.back and AdventureWorks LT 2019.back. You have to do one work. Copy these two download files into a folder where you want, and like I'm going to paste it in the D drive. Paste it here. Two files. Go to your SQL Server Management. Right click database. Click restore files and file groups. Here give your database name ADB Adventure. Click on from device. Click on three dot. Click on add. And we have already pasted files into D drive, so we are going to D drive here. Click on your AdventureWorks 2019.back. Click on OK. Click here and click on OK. It will execute the. Here you can see restore successfully. You can restart your server. As you can see, after restarting the laptop, we can see our database name Adventure here. Similarly, we can input other files also. You can click on new query, as it will start a new query. All the work we will do done here in the form of query, and write this code. And write this name and execute. Here we have successfully run our query. This area is called the terminal. It will show up the results and all the error messages. Thank you for watching us. We'll upload further videos on SQL query. Thank you so much.